Did you know that you can use GPS from your phone literally anywhere in the world without Wi-Fi? Me either. Here's how. Okay, so go to Google Maps. You're going to click on your little icon and then go to offline maps. When you're in there, you're going to go ahead and click select your own map. And then you can see here, I am selecting the part of Costa Rica that I'm going to be traveling in right now. Now, once you get it in the correct position, just click download, and then you can go ahead and name your map whatever you want to do. So I just named mine Costa Rica map. And then go ahead and click save. So to prove that this works, I'm going to go and turn off my Wi-Fi. You can see I'm currently in airplane mode because I am in Costa Rica. And then I'm going to pull up Google Maps and I'm going to type in a location that was within that highlighted map in Costa Rica. So you can see it is just pulling up directions, and when I click start, it is giving me directions. Now, when I exit that and I try to type in a different location like Tulum that was not included in my map, you'll see that I cannot get the directions there. Life change.